Hey, welcome back to the Filter Survive channel. So today I'm looking at water filters from Membrane Solutions. So we look at their gravity-fed water system and their personal water filter. All right, so it's really important to have some good water filters in both a survival kit or even if you're just going hiking, camping. It's always good to be able to replenish your water. So a couple of things really make a water filter good. Of course, it's going to be the quality of it, how easy it is to get the water, and actually the flavor of the water is also very important. All right, so I have this gravity bag, and we'll get back to that here in a bit. All right, so the filter is fairly large in itself. In fact, it is right about 8.5 inches. So a fairly long filter. All right, so a couple things you're gonna notice immediately. It's this bright red cap here at the end. What this is an adapter because the filter can be attached to a standard water bottle for filtering water that way by squeezing the water bottle. And then if you have a water bottle that has a wider mouth, then basically this little adapter here will take care of that. All right, also there's a small little silicone cap that is kept on there to kind of keep everything nice, clean, and dry, safe, whatever. All right, so three really unique things about this this filter that I noticed. First thing's gonna be that it has an activated charcoal filter here in this cotton capsule. And so this is gonna be like the first stage of filtering. And so what it's gonna do, this is important, it's actually unique, like I said, that it's a charcoal filter because that's gonna help a lot with the cleaning of the water, but also help with the taste of the water. Most filters that I've used before did not have the activated charcoal filter in it. All right, so that's really one major advantage this has. All right, the second thing that's really unique about this is that the hollow tube filter can be replaced. And so this filter is intended for 3,000 liters. And so once it's lived up its life, or of course, if it's filtering really dirty water, it may filter less than 3,000. But anyways, whenever you're ready to change your filter, you don't have to buy a whole new filter system. Basically, you just swap out this filter, and it comes with that charcoal capsule down below. All right, that costs about like $10 on Amazon to get that replacement. And so the cool thing is you can actually carry replacements with you if you wanted. All right, and then the third thing that I found very unique about this filter that I liked a lot was actually the method of flushing it. So of course, as you use your filter, it's going to get filled up with some dirt, whatever it's filtering out. And so the method for for flushing it is simply by attaching again the water bottle to this side of the filter. All right, so you can see with the arrow, it's the opposite direction. And so when you basically, of course you'd use clean water in the bottle and you'd flush it back that way. And that's how you would clean this out. If you notice, probably a lot of other filters, they use like a large syringe. And so I really like the bottle system that they use here. All right, and then the filter bag, like I said, it's a 6 liter. So it's a fairly large bag. It's nice rubbery feeling, really thick. It's basically straightforward. You hook up your water hose to this little elbow right here. You'd fill this up, hang it from a tree, connect your hose from the filter to this bag. And basically, the advantage of it is it's effortless, basically. You just hang it from a tree and let gravity do the work for you. And so that way you'd be getting your clean water without having to sit there and squeeze or pump on the filter. All right, so this filter costs $45. I'll include a link to this, both Amazon link and their website link. So be sure to check that out if you're interested in that. All right, let's go ahead and move on to the personal filter. All right, so same system kind of down here below where it can be attached to a water bottle. All right, so just like that, same system, you attach that, screw it on, and you squeeze the water bottle. Of course, this can also be used directly into a water source. So you basically just bend over and you put this in the water, you drink this like a straw. The other thing is this can be used with the gravity bag or with any gravity bag for that matter, because it has this little tip right here for connecting the hose. And this also, what I like, is it also has, you have this first little filter here for large items, large trash, whatever it goes in there. They also have the same kind of capsule with the activated charcoal inside. All right. This filter does not have a replaceable filter on the inside. It's actually built in, glued in, I guess, maybe. But this filter only costs like $13 on Amazon. And so it doesn't make sense for them to make replacement filters that cost $10 on a $13 filter. And so basically whenever this lives its life, which is, it's intended for like 5,000 liters. And so when it lives its life, basically you would just toss it and get a new filter. All right, so this, like I said, it costs $13. And so pretty cheap, pretty good price there. But let's go ahead and next thing we're gonna do is take this outside, outdoors, should I say, and we're gonna test it, see how they perform, how quickly it filters water, and what it tastes like. All right, so now what you need to do is hook up the filter. And direct as soon as this is lower than the bag, then it'll start running out. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna see how long it takes to fill up this 32-ounce Nalgene bottle, which is right about 1 liter. So the instructions said that it is right about half a liter per minute. So theoretically this should not take any longer than 2 minutes to fill up. And an even liter. So I'm going to pinch this off. Like that. You see the water stops. All right, now for the moment of truth, we're going to take this and we're going to see how the water tastes. It actually does not have any flavor at all. No plastic, no rubber. I can't taste any like dirt flavors. A lot of times when I've used soda before, it still leaves a certain taste. Definitely no flavor at all with that. All right, so that's really cool. All right, so now what we're gonna do is we're gonna demonstrate the smaller straw. And so we'll go back to the creek for that. All right, so with the small filter, the same thing. There's no flavor to the water at all. No plasticky, no rubbery flavor. Literally would not have guessed that came out of a creek. All right, so that is all for these filters. Let me know what you think about that. Be sure to check that out. I'll include links to Amazon links in the description of the video and also to their website. So let me know what you think about this system, the gravity fed system. If you've ever used the membrane solution before. And thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.